Alright, Cloud Troopers, it's time for a Portal Recon. Today's mission is to scout and configure the Azure Portal like a seasoned ops specialist. We're diving into dashboards, customizing your command center, and marking the map for future missions. Whether you're a new recruit or just tired of being lost in the cloud, this walkthrough will have you navigating Azure like it's your own personal Starship console. Let's uplink. The first thing when we enter the Portal Azure, we see this overwhelming madness. And if I press this service menu to the left, it's even more. Let's hide it for now. The first thing we want to do is go to this gear icon here, called Settings. We'll click on it. Here we can customize our experience. And the first thing we want to do is go to the Appearance plus Startup Views. Your screen might not be as large as mine. Mine is quite large. Sadly, but you can customize this how you like. But how I will do it is I will set it to docked and expand it. And what will happen is this will now always show. And for my fellow Sun challenged developers out there, let's set it to dark as well. Be responsible about your eyes, especially if you're living in a cave and you don't see any light besides synthetic light from screens. Let's click apply. Thank God. Let's click this Microsoft Azure. Click here. Now we're back. We see quite a lot of things here. Let's not focus on most of this. We will focus on a few things and stay on that for the next coming videos. There are two important things here. It's subscriptions and resource groups. Subscriptions, if you set up, you signed up for free, you will have one here. For me, it is Azure for Students. For you, it might be something else, or also Azure for Students. And this will always be required when we set up our resources. The second one here is called resource groups. All resources we create must be in a resource group. We will delve deeper into this later. The first thing we want to do is click on this All Services link here. And I want you to search for App Services. And we see it here. Here, when we hover over it, we see a few icons. And we see this star icon. And if you click on it, it was added down here. I'm going to move this up there, if the UI allows me. And I will put it under resource groups. And another thing I will do, function app. And I will do the same there. And I will go to logic apps. And I will favorite that too. And I will move this, let's see, up here and up here. I might put this, the logic app before. Wow, that's interesting UI. Like that. Ignore the rest. We will only focus on these 5 for now. This is the Azure Portal. Recon complete, Cloud Troopers. You've mapped the terrain, customized your dashboard, and secured your Azure Command Center. You're now one step closer to mastering the cloud. Fewer clicks and more control. Mission complete, cloud stable. You're clear to deploy. Or nap.